What's up guys, nababalik tayo sa babagong video. So today's video guys ay maglalaro tayo ng ulit ng Grow a Garden. So magbulat a Grow a Garden. If you guys see at my back, that is a moon melon and naapa ko isa there. Napa ko isa which is a moon mango man to. Yes, moon mango. Nako moon mango. If you guys want moon mango, make sure to like and subscribe and comment your username so I can add you. And if you guys want to win 2 Robux, make sure to watch this full video at the end. So today's video nabutang na si Jendel og kuan cosmetic, and I'm gonna turn into my garden into the most epicest thing I ever done. Pero yeah, pero there is the cosmetic. I do have like some items here. Yep, I have one item here. So let's see. So they have the square white bench and long stored table and a sign crate. That's cool. Okay, let me buy this. I'm gonna buy this and this. And now I think I'm gonna buy a common Gonem crate, I think. Yes, I'm gonna buy this. So I bought a crate now. I think, where is it? I forgot where the crate is. Where is it? Oh yes, here. There is the crate. We have to wait into we have to wait, and we're gonna put the crate here. It's gonna so we're gonna we're gonna put this white bench here. It's gonna be super cool. How much is this? Oh, time is 7 hours. Cool. So ibutan na to dire ang kuan. And yes, really looks like that. Yeah, sada kayo. Dili ka maglingkod. Tapos mabutang tawag ng lanterns. Wait lang, ibutan na to sa kuan. Let's go sa dire. Well, na-cover man ang kuan. Okay. Isa. Okay, there it is. Yay, there it is. And now let's see what is in the seed shop. Now na to say na sa seed shop. Wala. Naamag kayo ko og kuan kay. Okay, we call wrench. What's your best thing in the world? Try. Sige, shop ni mo wala, pangit man. Well, generally at the kuan. Pwede na to ni ang sign crate or square. Ay na lang. Little. Okay. Uy, asa man to? Yes, we cannot put it here. I-sell na to ni or na? I-sell na to or no? Naay kung mga napaman yun. Baon na to ni. Okay, ibot mo yun. The secrets. Okay, dito kakapot the buang kanin. So let's wait for the crate to be open now, and yeah.
later.
So guys, nababalik na tayo. Tapos pwede na nato ni i-open. Ano crate na nato ni. Pwede na nato ni siya i-open. So i-open na nato. So let's go. Wow! Oh, that's nice! Sada kayo, asaman. Ay, kanin dyan din eh. Sada kayo ni. Wow! It's a purple guy. Pwede nyo siya ibot na doon. Uy. Pwede siya ibutang. Wow! Cute kayo. Kailangan na nato duwa ka book. Wow! Super nice! Cute kayo. Uy, naulan na. Nawon sa nato unsay sulpaan. Nasa seed. Uy, 1 minute na. At na sa gear shop. Maadto to sa cosmetics. Let's go. 21 minutes. Okay. Kailangan din na to chicken. Ay na lang. Tumato to sa cosmetic. Let's go. Naka-crates. Wala. Sign crate lang. Mahal man din yung sign crate, good. Yan. Later. Welcome to my stand. Okay. Niwalay mas to spring clothes. Damay. So, na ako kabalo kung siko ano to. Large stone table. Tapos ito na. Let's go. Nasa 5 billion. Ikuha ko na ito yung mga kuhaan diri mga cactus. Nope. Later lang. Uy! May natarong. Hira. Tapos makuha tayo. At ang melon pa una to Jillet. Ikaw na ito mga big stock dip. Seed, kuha na to. Gusto mo makuha niyo mo exotic crate. Exotic crate pa kaya. Sakto pa kaya nangyayman na po. Okay, matuto sa kuha na. Sa ato. Ito siya na inventory. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Nawa natin na abakuhan. Walay Master Sprinkle. So I think this is the end of the video, guys. I'm sorry if I made it too short. Because I don't have any Robux. I only got 2 Robux, and yeah, the cosmetic is no one. I can't even afford the signs. I do have 5 billion, but it's gonna take me a long time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, or not, sorry. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we out now. Peace.